This thing has become very, very expensive.
Okay.
This bed has become too expensive.
This one?
The bed.
The bed.
And these things. Even that price was low, eh?
What was the price?
50,000. 50. 6 beds, each 50.
That's 250.
No, that's 300,000. Because the process is endless. And then there's another madman.
Yeah.
That place. Where the shop is.
There's a bad man.
There's a madman.
There's a bad man in your house.
No, he wanted per bed. I told him 55,000. So instead he sends me a deposit of 2,200.
Huh?
He
said so he thinks the bed is 55,000.
you know, he returned it back to him.
He came.
Making a killing on the first day. So he sends me a deposit of. He said no. I thought we agreed 55. I told him no. It's 55,000. Lakini hapo wenyewe kuna watu wanavuta bangi mingi. Even the left. And he's very confident. So I'm taking next week. Kids of rich people. Spoiled. Yeah. No, Japheth is complaining the place again is small. Alafu acha hivyo. Alafu kwanza